Okay, so let's talk about a $17 digital kitchen scale, right? It's not flashy, it's not some crazy high-tech gadget, and yet more than 20,000 people felt so strongly about it, they went online to leave a review. What on earth could make such a simple little device that popular? Well, we're about to find out. And yeah, those 20,000 plus reviews, they are overwhelmingly positive. They average out to a really impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars. That's a rating most high-end electronics would kill for. But let's dig into that number a little deeper. Because here's what's actually kind of mind-blowing. Look at this breakdown. A staggering 79%. We're talking nearly 4 out of every 5 people gave this scale a perfect 5-star rating. You add in the 4-star reviews, and suddenly you're looking at over 90% of customers being super happy. I mean, that is a massive signal that this thing is doing something very, very right. Which, brings us to the main question of this whole explainer. What is the big deal? How does a $17 scale become an Amazon's choice with thousands and thousands of glowing reviews? Let's peel back the layers and see what's really going on here. Okay, first things first, let's just look at the core features. This is the stuff the company promises on the box before you even get your hands on it. So looking at the specs, it's pretty clear they've covered all the important bases. You've got high-precision sensors, a huge weight range, up to 33 pounds, which is a lot, and all the units you could possibly need. It's got a simple, easy-to-read display, and here's something I think is really smart. Dual power. You can use modern USB-C to charge it, or just pop in some standard AAA batteries. And of course, you've got the Terra function. That's the button that lets you zero out the weight of a bowl or plate, which is an absolute must-have. So on paper, it's everything you need and nothing you don't. But specs on a web page are one thing. The real test is how this scale actually performs in people's homes, day in and day out. So now, let's get into the stories from the kitchen, because this is where a product truly lives or dies. The first big one, and probably the most obvious, is for precision. I mean, anyone who's ever tried to bake bread or follow a tricky recipe knows that measuring by volume is, well, it's kind of inconsistent. A cup of flour for me might be way different than a cup of flour for you. But weight is absolute. And this next quote just hits the nail on the head. A reviewer named Just Me said it perfectly. Cooking is a science. Treat it as such. They go on to point out that so many modern recipes use grams, and this scale just makes it easy. It takes all the guesswork out of it and, as they put it, makes the purchase a no-brainer because it really pays to be accurate. Now, it's not just about precision baking. There's this whole other huge group of users, people who are focused on their health. Whether you're counting calories, prepping your meals for the week, or just trying to get a handle on portion sizes, a food scale is an absolutely essential tool. And this quote from a user named Natalie is just, wow, it's incredibly powerful. She calls the scale a game changer for her eating habits, saying she had no idea she was overeating until she started actually weighing her food. So for a lot of people, this isn't just about cooking better food. This simple little device is a huge part of their personal health journey. Okay, this is where it gets really fun, because beyond the kitchen, people are finding all sorts of creative and kind of weird uses for this scale. Its big weight range and its precision make it way more versatile than you'd think. And I'm telling you, you can't make this stuff up. A reviewer named Joey used it as a good poultry scale for weighing baby chicks. I mean, that's just a perfect example of a product that's so reliable and easy to use that people trust it for stuff way beyond measuring flour. If it's accurate enough for a tiny little bird, you can bet it's accurate enough for your sourdough starter. But of course, no product is absolutely perfect, right? So to give you the full picture, on the left, you've got all the good stuff we've been talking about. It's accurate, easy, versatile, a fantastic value. And on the right, there are a few minor gripes. A couple of people said it came with dead batteries, and one coffee aficionado found it a little too slow for pulling that perfect espresso shot. They're valid points for sure, but they really do seem to be tiny exceptions in a massive sea of happy customers. So let's bring it all together for the final weigh-in. We started off asking why this simple, super inexpensive scale is such a huge bestseller, and I think the answer has become pretty darn clear. See, the recipe for this scale's success isn't some kind of magic or flashy marketing. It just does the fundamental things perfectly. It delivers on its core promise. It's accurate. Its design is dead simple and user-friendly. It solves real problems for a huge range of people, from bakers to dieters to, yes, even chickwearers. And finally, that $17 price tag just makes it an easy, no-brainer purchase. Which really leaves us with one final thought. When you think about its usefulness, its reliability, and just the sheer number of problems it solves for people, could this be the smartest $17 you can spend on your kitchen? Based on what 20,000 people are saying, the answer seems to be a huge yes. Hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe for more explainers just like it. And if you're actually curious about this scale, I've put a link for it down in the description below. Thanks for watching.